Hello everyone, welcome to Craft Your Love. It's Christmas time. And to be very honest, not every one of us bring those huge gigantic Christmas trees at our home. So instead I have few simpler and cute little mini Christmas tree ideas for you guys which you can easily try at home and have fun and have that Christmassy vibe at your own home as well. So let's get started with that. So for this I am taking this packaging paper जो usually हमारे packaging में आता है, तो इसे आप use कर सकते हैं and let's spread it and cut a triangle out of it. And simply join these two sides with the help of Fevicol. Leave it to dry and cut whatever is extra. For the base, you can use a cylindrical cutout like this with a hole drilled at the center, or else you can take a lid of any such jar which has a hole at the center and you can use a pencil for the stand. And then simply place the structure on this pencil and you will start to see a little Christmas tree in front of you. For decoration, I'm using these stickers. I'm using a snowman sticker right here. And you can further decorate it with some lights like this to have that warmth feeling. And here it is, a little Christmas tree is ready and you can quickly make this effortlessly. Let's move on to another Christmas tree and let's make another mini Christmas tree. So for this also I am taking the same packaging paper and I am cutting two triangles out of it. Now I will join these three corners with the help of glue. We'll leave it to dry and meanwhile I'm taking this printed paper and will cut a triangle out of it. I'm using this zigzag scissor to give its edges some design. Alright, now just stick this cutout using a double-sided tape. You can use any kind of glue for that matter. And to join the two sides of this triangular cutout, I am using a jute thread and I am taking small sections of it and tying a knot at a distance. Do it on the other side as well, and that way we have connected both the loose open sides and we have this Christmas form ready. Now to decorate it, I have also added a heart cutout on the top and we are ready with another Christmas tree. Let's move ahead and make another Christmas tree, and for this one I'm taking this printed paper and cutting a triangle out of it, and in a zigzag manner just fold the paper and you will have structure like this. Just stick it on the pencil with a paper tape. Now just add few stickers and cutouts to decorate it. And we are ready with another Christmas tree. Let's make few more Christmas Christmas trees, and this is quite simple. All you have to do is take a triangular cutout and just fold it in a cone like this. Join the sides, and for the base I'm using a zigzag scissor to give that design at the bottom. And you can make cones or in different sizes and different heights, and you can make an empire of little Christmas trees. And so we are done with all the Christmas trees. Let's set them up. You can place these mini Christmas trees in different corners of your houses and bring that Christmassy vibe in your home. Also add lights, it will set the mood. And these are some cute little Christmas trees ideas for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you will try them out as well. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and if you try it, do not forget to tag me also. Share it with me, share your recreations with me. I would love to see them. Apart from this, you can also watch my other Christmas videos where you will find more ideas to decorate your space. I will put the link over here and you can go and check that out as well. And with that, I hope you have a very happy Christmas and a very happy New Year. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy crafting.